Good afternoon guys. So busy ang mga estudyante ngayon. Gumagawa sila ng Valentine's card para sa kanilang mga magulang. Mababae at lalaki ay kaya busy. Kanya-kanya sila nagtrabaho. Their card, their design. Ayan guys. Nagkalat-an sila pagkatapos nito ay kanilang liligpitin naman. For the boys and for the boys group. Thank you for watching. Psst. 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 Tawag mo mami. Yung mga person mas kisi nagkisi-kisi mas kisi. These are the final looks of their outputs, their cards and their bouquet of flowers. O diba, ang ganda tingnan, out of their creative minds. Listen to the eyes. Thank you for watching and enjoy.